Hey there, fellow Premiere Pro enthusiasts. If you're someone who relies on Premiere Pro for video editing, this tutorial is a game changer for you. Ever experienced your Premiere Pro application acting up? Whether it's freezing on startup, crashing incessantly, or simply not responding due to some tweaks you made in the settings, we've got you covered with a quick and easy solution: resetting Premiere Pro. Today, I'll walk you through two methods to reset Premiere Pro. The first method involves resetting only the application settings. The second method goes a step further, resetting not just the settings but also the media cache and plugins, essentially giving your Premiere Pro a fresh start. Before we dive in, make sure to close any Adobe family software that may be running. Now, open Premiere Pro while holding down the Alt key on your keyboard. Once you hit OK, all your Premiere Pro settings will be reset to their default state, just like when you first installed the application. Now, let's explore the second method for a full application reset. Open Premiere Pro, but this time, press both the Shift and Alt keys. Click OK to initiate a complete reset. Keep in mind, this will take your Premiere Pro back to its original state as if it were freshly installed. By following these steps, you might just find that the issues you were facing are resolved. Share your experience in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more tutorials like this. That's it for today. Until the next video tutorial, happy editing!